Is it time to buy or sell UnitedHealth Group stock? In this video, we're diving deep into UnitedHealth Group. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 20th of May, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since April 17, 2025, our system has ranked UnitedHealth Group as a sell candidate, giving it a score of negative 3.98. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. The stock has experienced a loss of negative 29.18%. This equates to an average loss of negative 1.27% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further decline within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 22% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decrease of 35% to an increase of nearly 30%. In terms of a longer outlook, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of about negative 13%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between a decline of 26% and an increase of 58% over the coming year. In practical terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $235 and $508. Our latest daily update for UnitedHealth Group includes the headline, UnitedHealth Group stock price up 1.8% on Tuesday. The UnitedHealth Group stock price gained 1.8% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 20th of May, 2025, rising from $315.89 to $321.58. It has now gained for 3 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues to rise or takes a slight pause in the coming days. During the last trading session, the stock fluctuated 3.86%, with a day low of $312.58 and a day high of $324.64. The price has declined in 7 of the last 10 days and is down by 18.49% during this period. Volume decreased on the last day by 20 million shares, with a total of 40 million shares exchanged for approximately $12.80 billion. It is important to note that falling volume during rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning of potential changes in the days ahead. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $630.73, while the lowest was $248.88. Currently, the price is 49.01%, or $309.15, below the 52-week high of $630.73, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Recent developments surrounding UnitedHealth Group Incorporated reflect a volatile landscape for this major healthcare entity. As of May 20, 2025, the company faces multiple headwinds, including missed first-quarter earnings and a withdrawal of full-year guidance, which has significantly affected investor sentiment. Following these disappointing results, insider confidence has shown some improvement, with key figures purchasing shares, suggesting they see potential value in the stock despite its struggles. In addition, ongoing legal challenges loom, with multiple class action lawsuits being initiated by investors during a tumultuous period characterized by a sudden CEO departure and speculation surrounding a Department of Justice investigation. The forthcoming July 7th lead plaintiff deadline in these lawsuits may coax investors to exercise caution, potentially impacting short-term stock performance. Despite these issues, some analysts believe that the current dip may present a buying opportunity given the company's historical profitability and a low forward price-to-earnings ratio. The dividend remains intact, indicating healthy cash flow despite the current uncertainties. While short-term volatility may persist as legal and operational challenges are addressed, UnitedHealth's long-term prospects could still be solid, depending on how effectively the company navigates this turbulent period. Overall, investors might consider the current climate as a crucial time to reassess their positions and outlook on UnitedHealth Group as they weigh immediate risks against potential long-term gains. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 14th of May, 2025, it was reported that Morgan Stanley assigned UNH an overweight rating with a hold action. On the same day, it was also reported that Raymond James assigned UNH a market perform rating with a downgrade action. On Tuesday, the 13th of May, 2025, RBC Capital assigned UNH an outperform rating with a hold action. Earlier, on Tuesday, the 22nd of April, 2025, HSBC assigned UNH a hold rating with a downgrade action. On Monday, the 21st of April, 2025, Cowen and Company assigned UNH a buy rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general neutral rating to UnitedHealth Group stock. The price-to-earnings ratio is categorized as a sell, while the price-to-book ratio is considered a strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for UnitedHealth Group. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, May 15, 2025, and so far it has risen by approximately 17.22%. Further increases are expected until a new top pivot is identified. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence known as MACD. Interestingly, volume decreased during the last trading day despite rising prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, close monitoring of the stock is advisable. Some negative signals have also emerged, which could influence short-term developments. The UnitedHealth Group stock currently holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. As the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average, this results in an overall sell signal for the stock, leading to a more pessimistic forecast. Should the stock experience further gains, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $442.71. Conversely, if it declines, some support can be expected from the short-term average at $314.55. A breakthrough above the long-term average would generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average would introduce an additional sell signal, further reinforcing the overall negative outlook. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots have shown a buy signal 4 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicated a buy signal 27 days ago. The short-term moving average has issued a buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average signaled a sell 24 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 21 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a sell signal 24 days ago. The long-term moving average also signaled a sell 24 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 19 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for UnitedHealth Group. UnitedHealth Group finds support from accumulated volume at $315.89. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. This stock may experience significant fluctuations throughout the day, indicating high volatility. Additionally, the wide prediction interval from the Bollinger Band categorizes this stock as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $12.06, which is approximately 3.86%. In the past week, the stock has had an average daily volatility of 7.20%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for UnitedHealth Group, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A relatively low PE ratio could signal a low expectation for the future of the company, or that the stock is undervalued, indicating a potential buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 15th of July, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $5.56. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for UnitedHealth Group. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for UnitedHealth Group is at $378.75. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding stock, this might be a suitable point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, UnitedHealth Group has its first support level at $315.89. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for UnitedHealth Group from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 16th of May, 2025, Rex John F. conducted an insider purchase of 17,175 shares of common stock. On the 16th of May, 2025, Hemsley Stephen J. conducted an insider purchase of 86,700 shares of common stock. On the 14th of May, 2025, Hemsley Stephen J. conducted an insider purchase of 602,773 shares of non-qualified stock options, which is the right to buy. On the 14th of May, 2025, Flynn Timothy Patrick conducted an insider purchase of 1,533 shares of common stock. On the 15th of May, 2025, Gil Kristen conducted an insider purchase of 3,700 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive, with a ratio of 87.961. Overall, insiders purchased 1,049,119 shares and sold 70,439 shares in the last 100 trades. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and there is currently no stop loss in place. Is UnitedHealth Group stock a good buy? UnitedHealth Group presents several negative indicators, leading us to believe it will continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Therefore, we maintain a negative outlook on this stock. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 21st of May, we expect UnitedHealth Group to open lower by $1.98, beginning trading at $319.60. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.